Previously, we talk about personal skin care routine, and today we will talk about serious skin care. Serious skin care is about maintaining a healthy and glowing skin all through your life. As you grow older, your body's natural skin care mechanisms become weaker. So, serious skin care is about responding to the changing needs of your skin. Thus, serious skin care is about constantly evaluating, analyzing and changing your skin care routines. Your skin care routine should change based on the environmental conditions, your age and changes in your skin type. Serious skin care is also about awareness. With the technological advancements and research, more and more facts are being brought to light every day. Also, the composition and nature of skin care products seems to be changing with time. So trying out the new products is also a part of serious skin care. However, serious skin care advises using a new product over a small patch of skin, not facial skin, first, just to see how your skin reacts to it. Serious skin care also means knowing how to use your skin care products. Good practices include things like applying the moisturizers while the skin is damp, using upward strokes for better penetration of skin care products, removing the makeup before going to bed, cleansing before moisturizing or applying makeup, using the correct amount of skin care products, etc. Thus, increasing the effectiveness of your skin care products is another focus area of serious skin care. Some precautions, like avoiding contact with detergents, are also part of serious skin care. Serious skin care means being gentle with your skin. Things like over-exfoliation, use of low-quality products, and application of strong chemical-based products, are all harmful to your skin. Some people have a wrong notion about serious skin care. For them, serious skin care is using large quantities of products as often as possible. However, this really isn't serious skin care, and that's why awareness is so important. Serious skin care is also about visiting your dermatologist for treatment of skin disorders. Ignoring the skin disorders can be fatal for your skin and might lead to permanent damage. So, if the things don't improve with over-the-counter medication, you should immediately visit a dermatologist. Self-surgery, e.g. squeezing of acne, pimples, is a big no. It can lead to permanent damage of your skin. So, seriously, serious skin care is more about precautions and preventive measures than treatment. Serious skin care is about being proactive as well as reactive. In fact, we can say that serious skin care is about being proactive about the needs of your skin so that the need for being reactive is reduced to a minimum. If you're new to this channel, please drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.